Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Plenty of Fish login error on your iPhone. Sometimes when you try to log into your Plenty of Fish account, you cannot log in and it keeps saying login error. So in this video, I'll show you how exactly you can solve the problem. So there are many reasons why this problem may have occurred. The first reason is that your app may not be up to date. So to do that, go to your app store and then search for Plenty of Fish. Now, on my Plenty of Fish dating app, it shows open. That means that my app is up to date. But if yours shows update, it means that your app is not up to date and you have to update your app. Update the app and try to log into your account again. And if your problem still occurs, go to your setting, scroll down and then tap on general. Now tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and then tap on Plenty of Fish. Now tap on offload app. And now once the app is offloaded, simply reinstall the app and now wait for the app to reinstall. And now once you reinstall the app, try logging into your account again. And if your problem still occurs, simply restart your iPhone and then log into your account. These were some of the ways how you can solve Plenty of Fish logging error. I hope I was able to help you fix your problem. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.